Cybersecurity in the industrial environment. Technologies for secure remote access to industrial facilities. The Scalance S615 industrial router. The Scalance S615 router is probably one of the most flexible and powerful industrial routers available on the market. The Scalance S615 router is an industrial network device manufactured by Siemens. This router is a secure and robust network solution designed for applications in industrial and process automation environments. It is a Layer 3 router with 5 Ethernet ports, including one WAN port and 4 LAN ports. It also features a USB port for initial configuration and firmware updates. This router uses advanced security technologies, such as user authentication and data encryption, to ensure the integrity and confidentiality of network data. It can be configured using an easy-to-use web user interface or through Siemens Industrial Network Management software application, called TIA Portal. This router supports multiple network protocols, such as TCP, IP, UDP, SNMP, and DHCP, allowing it to be integrated into a wide variety of systems and network environments. The Scalance S615 also offers quality of service, COS, features to ensure that critical traffic is prioritized on the network, helping to improve performance and reduce latency. In addition, the router is capable of managing virtual networks, VLANs, to improve network management and increase security. Below are some applications of the Scalance S615 router. Process automation. The Scalance S615 router is often used in industrial process automation applications to connect multiple devices and controllers over a network. The router offers advanced security, such as user authentication and data encryption, allowing for the protection of critical data on the network. Additionally, its virtual network (VLAN) management capability allows for network segmentation, helping to improve network security and efficiency. Machine control. The Scalance S615 is also useful in machine control applications in industrial environments. The router can be used to connect machine controllers and input, output, I/O devices to a network, allowing for remote monitoring and control of machinery. Additionally, its rugged design makes it ideal for use in harsh industrial environments, where vibration, temperature fluctuations, and humidity are common. System integration. The Scalance S615 can be used to integrate process automation and control systems with enterprise resource planning, ERP, systems and supervisory control and monitoring, SCADA, systems. The router enables real-time data transmission between the different systems, allowing for more efficient management and greater data-driven decision-making. Surveillance and security networks. The Scalance S615 can also be used in surveillance and security applications, such as managing security cameras and alarm sensors. The router can provide connectivity to security cameras and sensors, allowing remote monitoring and control of them. Additionally, its advanced security makes it ideal for protecting critical surveillance and security data. Smart energy networks. The Scalance S615 can also be used in smart energy network applications, such as managing power grids and monitoring environmental conditions. The router enables connectivity of power grid sensors and control devices and provides real-time data for network monitoring and management. Additionally, its virtual network (VLAN) management capability enables network segmentation, helping to improve the efficiency and security of the electrical grid. Below are some of the key features of the Scalance S615 router. Advanced security. The Scalance S615 router offers a wide variety of security features, including user authentication, data encryption, protection against denial of service, DOS, attacks, and MAC address filtering. Additionally, the router supports Virtual Private Network (VPN) for a secure connection over the Internet. Flexible network management. The Scalance S615 can be configured and managed using an intuitive web user interface or through the Siemens TIA Portal software application. This router also supports multiple network protocols, including TCP, IP, UDP, SNMP, and DHCP. Quality of service. COS. This router offers COS features to ensure that critical traffic is prioritized on the network. This helps improve performance and reduce latency. Virtual LAN management. The Scalance S615 is capable of managing virtual networks, allowing for greater flexibility and security in network management. Ethernet connectivity. This router features 5 Ethernet ports, including one WAN port and 4 LAN ports. The Ethernet ports support speeds of up to 1 gigabit per second. Robust design. The Scalance S615 is designed to operate in harsh industrial environments. It is resistant to vibrations, temperature fluctuations, and humidity, making it ideal for use in factories and production plants. The Scalance S615 is a key component in CYBERSECURIty's network infrastructure, enabling connectivity between the different devices and process automation systems on the network. In addition, the router offers advanced security and network management features, ensuring a secure and reliable connection between the different components of the network. By using CYBERSECURIty in conjunction with the Scalance S615, users can have remote access to process automation devices, allowing them to monitor and control industrial processes from any location, increasing efficiency and productivity. Furthermore, the combination of CYBERSECURIty and the Scalance S615 offers a comprehensive and scalable solution for process automation in industry.